Hey, Mark, can I ask you something real quick?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
Why do you keep staring at me in class?
What? I don't?
Don't lie. I've caught you like 5 times already.
I mean, I wasn't staring. I was just looking around.
Yeah, and somehow you always look around at me.
Okay, maybe a little, but it's not like that.
Relax, you're turning red.
I'm not. It's just hot in here.
Sure, blame the weather. So, you don't like me?
I didn't say that.
Then what is it?
I just didn't think you'd notice.
Trust me, I noticed. And I kind of like it.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I like you too.
You're serious?
Very serious. So, do you want to go out this weekend?
With you? Of course I do.
Good. Just try not to stare too much next time.
No promises.
So, where do you want to go?
I don't know. Maybe a coffee shop?
That sounds nice. Do you like coffee?
I love coffee. Especially on weekends.
Same here. It feels relaxing.
Should we invite friends or just us?
Just us. It's kind of a date, right?
Right. A date.
That sounds good. I didn't know you were this talkative.
I'm usually not. I'm just comfortable with you.
That's sweet.
Don't make me blush again.
Too late. You're already red.
By the way, what do you like to do for fun?
I watch movies, listen to music, sometimes read.
Really? What kind of movies?
Mostly comedy and action. You?
I like romantic movies.
That makes sense. What does that mean?
Nothing, just saying.
Do you always tease people like this?
Only people I like.
Good to know. I'm glad you asked me today. I'm glad you noticed me staring. I guess staring worked in your favor.
Looks like it did. So, Saturday at 5?
Saturday at 5. Don't be late.
I won't. I'll be there early.
Trying to impress me already?
Maybe a little. I like that.
See you tomorrow in class.
Yeah. And this time I'll try not to stay.
No promises, right?
Exactly.